Bars 25 through 28 are the same as bars 17 through 20. Here's a quick refresher, and if you need a more in-depth review, you can go back to the bars 17 through 21 video. Picking up where we left off on that up bow on E, it does all of this again. Bar 29 starts pretty much the same as what we're used to. It does this again. Which is all very familiar. It's just like bar 21. We could play bar 30 exactly the same as bar 22, but instead we're going to play with the timing a little bit. So basically all I did there is, instead of doing the timing of bar 22, which is 1 pulse, 4 pulses, I'm going to do 1 pulse, 2 pulses, bum, bum, and then I only have 3 left for this 3A. Bum, bum. So once again, that was bar 30, and I played with the timing by doing a 1 pulse note on 3E, 2 pulse note on 2E, and then a 3 pulse note on 3A. And then I'm going to finish out that bar the same way that we did before, with an up bow from 3A to open E. That brings us to bar 31. And again, we're going to play with the rhythm on our melody here. So we've been in this similar kind of phrase before, and the next 2 notes were low 1 on E and 2E. And I'm just going to play those nice and even here for the ending. We're almost finished. We're going to go 2 pulse, 2 pulse, bum, 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 bum. And you can start to kind of slow down here so that the pulses can kind of expand and you can use as much of the bow as you want. Bum, 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 bum. That all sets us up for the ending. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your own ending right from that point. Let me play for you everything from today with the up-close view. A lot of it is review from before, but that could possibly make it a little bit more confusing. So I want to show you this whole section from today all together. And then freeze time right here, and I'll see you in the next video.